the number, we have to enter a number and show it in a reverse order. Suppose I enter a value 257. Suppose I enter here 2257. Okay, so then it is return you 752. It is a reverse order that we have to pass. So that we have to write the program for it. Pass include stdio dot h, then here I pass void main int I comma n comma a, then I am giving a size 100, then here I pass a value read value from an array, read a value from an array slash n, I'm passing here slash n, then printf enter the value array enter the number of value. So how many value you want to enter, you have to maximum 100, then you have to give percentile d, then here I pass ampersand n, then printf put d number of elements down array slash n, Then for I equals to 0, I less than the number of element that you want to store, I less than n, then I plus plus. Then printf element percentile d colon
তখন তো মোবাইলের ফটোটা আছে কি?
then percentile d number of element comma I scanf percentile d ampersand a the values store into the array are colon slash n.
Hello, sir.
ଦେଖଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଏଇଟା ରନ୍ କରିକି ବୁଝଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍
Sir, ଶୁଭୁନଥିଲା କିଛି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁ
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ read the value from array, enter the value to an array maximum 5. Suppose I want to insert 5 element, then enter element 0, suppose 20, enter element 1, 30, enter element 2, suppose 45, enter element 3, 90, then last 66. The value entered into the array is 20, 30, 45, 90 and 66. And here we're using, just a minute, enter the element, suppose 5, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This one gives 60, 50, 40. This one is what? Just a minute. Three. Okay, now I test with 3. Input 40, 50, 60. ଗୋଟେ ଗାର୍ବେଜ ହେଲେ ଆସୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ y is equals to n just a minute. Again I pass 3 element 40, sorry, no, এটা ଗୋଟେ মিস କରୁଛି 330 40 50 then 60 now check here एबे आसला ठीक ए प्रोग्राम टा बुझौछि केमते होछि एटा हला हमर फर्स्ट एटा हमें तीनटा वेरिएबल नेले गोटे हला इंट आई गोटे हला n आ गोटे हला हमें array रा साइज देले अप टू मैक्सिमम हमें 100 नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट नहीं परिबा तो ये जो 100 एलिमेंट हमें नवा हमको डिफाइन करबा को पड़िबो कोन ना रीड द वैल्यू फ्रॉम array एटा गोटे मेसेज रहिला तापर एटा गोटे रो एठी शो कला तापर एठी शो कला एंटर द वैल्यू टू एन array मु केतरा एलिमेंट एंटर करबा को चाहूची मु तीनटा एलिमेंट एंटर करबा को चाहूची तो सेति में देखला इनपुट 3 नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द array तो I is equals to 0 n रे मु 3 स्टोर कली 0 is less than 3 कंडीशन इज ट्रू तो एलिमेंट d माने एलिमेंट रे 0 अछि 0 लोकेशन ने मु 40 वैल्यू देले मु 0 लोकेशन ने 40 वैल्यू देले तापरे I वैल्यू पुनी इंक्रीमेंट हला I वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 1 is less than 3 कंडीशन इज ट्रू तो 1 लोकेशन ने मु 50 वैल्यू देली तापर मु पुनी नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट नेली थर्ड 2 लोकेशन 2 is less than 3 कंडीशन इज ट्रू देन एलिमेंट 2 लोकेशन ने मु 60 वैल्यू देली तो ये तीनटा वैल्यू मु एंटर करली तीनटा वैल्यू एठी एंटर हे गला परे मु एठी डिस्प्ले करिवि एलिमेंट गुडा को डिस्प्ले करिवा पे मु कोन यूज कली ना I equals to 0 0 less than 3 n नो वैल्यू में 3 नहीं छे तीनटा एलिमेंट हमें नवा so 0 is less than 3 the condition is true so 0 is less than 3 okay so when 0 is less than 3 तापरे एटी 0 लोकेशन ने मु केते स्टोर करिछि 40 स्टोर करिछि तो 40 देखेला 0 वैल्यू पुनी इंक्रीमेंट हला 1 तो 1 is less than 3 the condition is true 1 is less than 3 तो a array 1 index रे मु 50 स्टोर करिछि पुनी I वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 2 is less than 3 condition is true a array 2 index रे मु 60 स्टोर करछि तो मते एटी 60 शो कला तापरे मु ए वैल्यू गुडा को रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे देखि मु काम होला कोन ना मु जो एलिमेंट 40 50 60 जो एंटर करिछि जो वे रे मु एंटर करछि तारा रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे शो करिवे रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे शो करबा खले प्रथम मु I रा वैल्यू नेली n - 1 माने मोर n केते नै आछि तीनटा एलिमेंट 3 - 1 हला 2 so I रा वैल्यू हला 2 देन एठी चेक हला 2 is greater than 0 yes 2 is greater than 0 तो एठी array रो 2 इंडेक्स रे जो वैल्यू अछि शो करिवो 2 इंडेक्स रे की अछि तो 0 1 2 2 इंडेक्स रे 60 अछि तो फर्स्ट 60 शो कला तर I रा वैल्यू पुनी डिक्रीमेंट हला 2 थिला 1 हला 1 is greater than equals to 0 yes 1 is greater than 0 then a array 1 index रे केते अछि 1 index रे मु स्टोर करछि 50 तनो एटी 50 देखेला तापर I रा वैल्यू पुनी डिक्रीमेंट हला 0 1 रो पुनी 0 हला 0 is greater than 0 no 0 is not greater than 0 0 is equals to 0 तनो a array रो 0 index रे को वैल्यू टा स्टोर हला 0 index रे मु फर्स्ट 40 देई तनो 40 टा मोर लास्ट देखेला तापरे मोर सब एलिमेंट एठी रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे शो कला बुझियला प्रोग्राम टा
Yes, sir.
so it is a program that you have to take the value and show in a reverse order I'll store the file Okay, so now I will move to the next part of C program. Then we now start with the C function. Okay, function is a block of code that perform the specific task. Okay, like if you have a huge program, it is not possible for a single person that you have to write all the program. Suppose I am giving a task that you have to do the subtraction, multiplication and addition at one shot. Okay, माने गोटे लोक at a time ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେବି ସେ subtraction କରିବ, multiplication କରିବ, addition କରିବ. So it is not possible for that person. The person will do all the type of work. The function is a block of code that performs the specific task. Suppose you need to create a program to create a circle and color it. You can create a two function. Okay, to solve this, first you have to create a circle function, then color function. Similar way, if I giving you tags that you have to do the addition, subtraction and multiplication, the first you have to do with the subtraction, multiplication and addition. Okay, so you have to break the program into the three part. माने मु प्रोग्राम टाको तीनटा पार्ट रे डिवाइड करिवि. गोटे सब्सट्रैक्शन रखिवि, गोटे मल्टीप्लिकेशन रखिवि, गोटे डिवीजन रखिवि. जेमति कोन होउची घरे आमे इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब जाळुचे, फैन जाळुचे, फैन लगाउचे एंड एवरी ऑपरेशन वी हैव ए स्विच. मु जो स्विच टा मारिवि से वर्क टा परफॉर्म हबो. तो एमती नहीं जे मु गोटे स्विच मार देबी सब जगह ओपन हबो. The function ର କାମ ହଉଛି ସେମିତି, it is working as a switch. Okay, so which work I need, I have to put switch on that particular part, then that thing is happen. Okay, ମାନେ ଲାଇଟ୍ ରେ ଇ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଲାଇଟ୍ ଟା ଜଳିବ, ଫ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟା କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଫ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟା ବୁଲିବ. Now this is a work of your function. There is a block of code that perform the specific task, and the type of function that we are using. Some of the function standard library function, another is user defined function. Standard library function is जोटा रहिबा हमर printf is one function, scanf is one function, and some kind of what you can having a standard that predefined function also it contain. Standard library function, a standard library function are the built-in function in C programming. These functions are defined in the header file. Like when you are writing, you can say stdio, then automatic your printf and scanf is loaded. Printf is a standard library function to send the formatted output to the screen, and hence to use the printf function we need to include stdio.h header file, and square root function calculate the square root of a number. The function is defined in the math.h header. Okay, so these are the square root function, printf function. The age of function gudaka scanf function, it is called as the predefined function, or it is called as the library function. Okay, and it is present by using of library. Okay, see, it provided by the C library. Okay, some user defined function we're using, like void function name, int main. Okay, user defined function. For defining a user defined function, we can define like a return type then function name. Like it would a function define a void function name. This is a user defined function. Then how to call the function? Function time define kale kintu se कोडी call habo माने हमें switch टा define kale kintu switch टा कोड लागिवो board रे call habo. If you call us that board is a main, it is a main switch or it is called as the main method. ता भितर सब switch लागिला and every switch is working for a specific task like some is working for the light, some is working for the what we can say mm, fan. Okay, so it is working in that way. Like see that has include stdio.s, then we define a function void function, then we call this function here in main method. Okay, you can directly call it. Okay, the advantages of user defined function: the program will be easier to understand as because your complex program is divided into a submodule. It contains the reusable code that can be used to other program. A large program can be divided into the smaller module, hence the large project can be divided among the many programmers. Okay, so the large program is divided into the many program here. So now see that here we have a function. First we declare a function int add numbers. It is one function. First we define the function prototype. Okay, when you want to define a function, first you define a function prototype. But a function prototype I'm going to define kariya padibo. So before that I write one small program which is helping you to understand it how to write that particular program. So now I define here okay. It is a function define a void show function. Okay, then this function is called here. This is a function. Okay, then we can pass the value at runtime to a function that is called the parameter. So what is the work of parameter? Parameter is used to send the information to a function. मते फंक्शन को किसी इनफॉरमेशन पास करबा को चाहूची ताले मो पैरामीटर यूज करिवे तो parameter it is used to send information to send, or you can say pass information function. Okay, that is used to send or pass the information to a function. It is called as the parameter. Then how you have to define a parameter? The similar way you can write here. Suppose here I define int a, then percentile d, and can pass a value here a. Then when you call a function तो एठी मते value pass करिया पड़िबो 30. So ये 30 टा एठी initialization हो एठी मते display करियो. Okay, so I call the function as it is contain a parameter. If it is a integer value then directly मोटे pass करे. जदि string value हबो मोटे double quotation में pass कर थांदी. तो एठी 30 टा एठी pass चला 30 रो मोटे display करी. Okay, बुझेला दिशा?
Yes, sir.
बुझ पाइलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या दिशा बुझेला तो? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is a work
Yes,
of
sir.
with a function with parameter. Okay, so you just write a program. Okay, write a program to just write down in your paper. Write a program. Do add, subtraction, and multiplication. Add, subtraction, and multiplication with the help of function. Okay, I'm addition करिवा, subtraction करिवा, multiplication with the help of a function. Okay, एटा मते करिकी मते सेंड करिवो. Okay, then in next class हमें cover करिवा call by value and call by reference. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, चलो.
Good night, sir.
Good night.